You know when you're not feeling like shooting, you get a whole bunch of people, especially on social media, they say, oh no, don't worry about it. If you're not feeling it, just stay at home. Just wait until you feel ready and then go out. Bollocks to that. You got to get out, you got to push through, and you got to shoot. Like if you can shoot, get out and shoot street photography when you're not feeling like it, I'm telling you, it's going to really toughen you up in terms of shooting street photography full stop across the board, and it's going to really make a difference in the type of photographs you're going to be able to create. Right, I'm saying all this because this morning I came out to shoot and I just don't feel like shooting. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head into Whitechapel, into the Lion's Den. Like in Whitechapel, you're going in where the bullets are flying, right? By the way, guys, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and right, let's create some magic. How did I do? I think I did alright, didn't I? Oh, that'll do anyway for this video. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!